Hey everyone, thought I'd try something a little different tonight. I'm actually using my GoPro camera and also wearing this ridiculous headgear thing to hold it, so it kind of gives you a first-person preview, and I can use my hands and make all these weird hand gestures. So tonight I'm going to be testing the fuel sending unit. Now, man, when I was working on this thing, cleaning it up, it was disgusting. This is that part where I insert photo here. So I spent a couple days cleaning the bejeebus out of this, and now I can't get that thing to go back in. It's got that little washer. It kind of holds it from wanting to go back in. So just give me a second here. I'm gonna get it. There we go. And we turn it around. As you can see, majority of the times where things like this goes bad is right here in this little I don't know what you would call that, I guess, the metal indicator. See, it sends such a low voltage through this, and this is what goes back and forth and gives you your what. So now we're going to put this back together here, and basically one of my problems is one of the tabs broke off. So I'm going to have to figure out how to reattach that, but it's pretty simple. Slides onto the indicator and you just slide it back on. Now it'll hold, but as you see, I'm going to have to figure out, because I might have to just kind of work one of these to bend it over enough to make it hold. These are not very common to come across, and when I have found them, they're like $200 and $300, and there's nothing wrong with this one. It works perfectly fine. Now, it did have a brass float on it, which had a hole in it, so I decided to get a plastic one that will probably last a lot longer. So now I'm going to test and see if the unit's actually working. Now, my multimeter, I went ahead and decided to get these clamps. It makes it a little easier to, not sitting here having to, to hold them onto it and stuff like that. And we're going to turn it on there. So that would be completely empty. Now let me just bring in a little bit here. There we go. So if you watch, as I start to go up, the number goes up. Income tax check. Can't wait till it's Friday. But as you can see, the sanding unit is working perfectly fine. So now I just have to put it back together and figure out my little problem there, which is really nothing. And as soon as the new gasket comes in for it, I'll be able to put it back in the tank, put the tank back in the car, and be able to fire her up for the first time in a while. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry it's so short, but it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. But thanks to a good friend, telling me use the GoPro, start using that to make the videos better. I hope to be bringing you a lot better videos in the future. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening. I know it's only Monday, but hey, it could be worse. You could be waiting for a gasket that's taken a week to get here. It should have only taken 3 days. So like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I hope everybody has a wonderful evening, and who's ready for Ghostbusters Afterlife? I know I am.